I read this on a support group for parents of kids with brain tumors, and it really touched me, so I wanted to share it with you all. I know this is not the journey that you chose. The path you planned to take held so much less fear, pain, and exhaustion. You envisioned so much more innocent joy, less anxiety, less hospital visits. You are all amazing, strong, and courageous, full of love for your family. May you find happiness and strength in simple pleasures. Enjoy the good days and take time to restore yourself. I think when precious babies are born, new moms dream of a beautiful life ahead with only sunshine and rainbows and happy days. But everyone has their troubles, and every life its challenges. Motherhood can be hard, and it's okay to recognize that it is sometimes uncomfortable and overwhelming. We don't always know what to do. We often wish we could do more than we can. To all of my mom friends, I hope that you know that this is normal. You're not alone in these feelings. Please take time today to think of the best parts and your favorite joys of motherhood. Please don't let some imaginary idea of the perfect mother ever let you feel like less in comparison, because that image is not real. You do the best you can, and that is enough, and that is wonderful in its own way. You do your best. You love your kids, and that's all that you can do. I had a really huge eye-opener this year. Life is short. We really never know how long we get with our precious children. Please, today, when you are blessed to get some time with your kids, give them an extra little hug and let them know that you love them and are happy to be their mom. What's your favorite thing about being a parent? What's the biggest joy you find in parenting? What's the hardest thing for you in parenting today? What is the aspect of parenting that you did your best at today? Pat yourself on the back for that win. Nobody's perfect. We have to congratulate those wins as they come.
I'm Anastasia, and this is something that helped me. I know every story is different, but I hope that in this you can find something to help you as well. Best of luck. It used to really bother me. Every single person would say, I don't know how you do it. And for me, I realized the answer is 1 day at a time, sometimes 1 minute at a time. People would say, I could never do that. Yes, you could, and you will. The journey is long and bumpy, but keep taking those tiny steps, and you can do this. I promise. Whatever is standing in front of you today, you can get through it.